Do you know that 75% of communication between two people is not the words that they use, but their body language? Aya azanit kal ladawri laso haftaw pinj tegeshtin newan dukas uwishakan ka bakara hinaniya. Walam zmani jەستەیان. Because of this, to learn a language like a native speaker, you also need to know the body language of that language. B'hoyoa bo ferbuni zmanek waku native speakerek harwaha zmani جەستەی o zmana abe bzanit. Today, I will teach you one part of American body language that you need to know. What it means when an American English speaker crosses their arms. Badas Bibikain, let's get started. When Kurdish people cross their arms, this is something respectful. Ama kirdareki rasmi u barez la kulturi Kurdi. Kurdish students are taught to cross their arms to show that they are listening to their teacher. But in American culture, crossing your arms can have a very different meaning. La kulturi ئەمریکی کارە مانایکی زۆر جیاواز هەیە. In American culture, crossing your arms is an action that is very informal. It sometimes means that you're not listening to the person who is speaking, or you don't trust what they are saying. Ata ka lawanea to hasti pebekit ka bardokha bardokhi zo narasmiya. Yan o kasa ihmali akate yan tomit manat niya bo kasa kaksakat. Now, if you are talking with your friend, for example, and you are very happy, then it's no problem to cross your arms like this. In this situation, it means that you are relaxed. But if you are at work and your boss is correcting you, and you cross your arms, in American culture, that means you don't agree with your boss, or maybe you don't trust him, or you feel like you need to defend yourself. In general, in the culture of American English, holding your arms in front of you and open or behind you communicates trust, openness, and respect. Kurajuanakam. If this video had new information for you, then please hit that like button. Thanks so much. Agar amzanyariya taza bubet boto, dikaya panje dukme like bika. Nospas kurajuanakam. Chawimini. So remember that in the culture of American English, you can cross your arms when you are relaxed and happy. But in formal or difficult situations, it's best not to cross your arms, but to keep them open like this. La kulturi Inglizi ئەمریکی کرداری قۆڵ گونجاوە کاتێک تۆ مرتاحیت یان دڵخۆشیت. بەڵام لە باردۆخی و براسمی یان کورس ئەوە باشترە ئەگەر وا ناکەیت بەڵام ئەگەر قۆڵەکانت راوە. Until tomorrow, Atasavene, Wafis.